Yeah?
Oh, sorry.
How? Are you sure?
I mean, there's red shit.
No. Taste it.
Mm-mm.
No, try it. Just a tad. It looks spicy, but it's actually probably not.
Taste it.
Yeah? No, it's not. I've tried it. That's not spicy. I could be wrong. Who knows?
Oh, Ben.
Yeah.
What a dick.
What?
Oh my god.
Is it?
Oh.
Okay.
Hello. You get this amazing food in there.
Oh, yeah. In this amazing apartment. I see.
Yum.
Oh my goodness, it is a lot. That's more than they normally would. It's more than they normally give us. I guess we have to get order takeaway here.
Yeah. I mean, this is the good life.
I agree. That's where the magic happens.
We can't put that on Facebook.
Oh hell yeah! A grown ass man, you're a girl. Get out of here. We're gonna get all this audio as well. What's wrong with you? Fuck out of here. You don't like what you see? Get the fuck off my page. I'm just kidding. Ma, I'm sorry. But you know I'm ignorant. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I love everybody. One love to everyone. I wish everyone the best in their travels. Oh, can't show myself? Oh, I won't show myself. Ooh, look at it. Ooh. I'm too sexy for my camera or my phone video. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna put music behind this. That's how you make money. Right here. Right here. That has, what does that have in there, baby? Tell me. Like, what can you see? It has peanuts. There's noodles.
Cucumbers.
Uh-huh.
Carrots.
Carrots.
It's delicious.
I don't know
Meat.
what that is. Yeah.
I don't even know if it's pork. Is it chicken? But this thing is phenomenal.
Oh my goodness.
And
Lettuce, I think it
oh,
has,
yeah,
and
yeah,
greens
lettuce.
that you don't really care for.
They actually didn't put the greens in mine.
Oh.
Hallelujah.
Okay.
And whatever this
It's
is. Sauce.
a bag of ooh,
Bag of heaven.
it's just heaven. You just pour it on top of it, and then
Oh.
you use those two things called chopsticks. I was gonna say chapsticks. Like my lips are chapped. And then look at me using chopsticks. and then you go to work. Now, my laptop is definitely better than her laptop.
Come on.
That's the beast. That's like 14 pounds, 2 pounds. 14 pounds, 2 pounds.
Awful.
PC, Apple.
Amazing.
I don't know what's
Doesn't
going on.
make sense.
Amazing. And you
Easy
always
to figure out.
jump to the. Always gotta have water. Water. And then this amazing room. What are we on, the 5th floor? Oh, the view is hallelujah, hallelujah. Amazing. Okay, so that's for now. This room is amazing. $40 a night? $40 a night. Wow, right.